These are the solutions to the substitution homework. Now remember, to substitute means to replace a prenumeral with a given number. And to do that, we need to stick to a few simple rules. The first thing that you need to do is you need to put in all the hidden operations. The most essential one is the time signs between the numbers and letters when they're stuck together. So 2AB means 2 times A times B. So you've got to put in all the hidden operations first before you do the actual substitution. So for the first question, okay, we have 5 and A stuck together. So there should be a times sign between them. So that means 5 lots of A. And then we do the second step, which is the actual substitution. And remember, when we substitute, we need to put a bracket around the number that we are substituting with. So in this case, we need to replace the A with the 4 in the question. So this becomes, so 5A plus 4 here becomes 5 times A, which is 4, plus 4. And then we evaluate using the order of operations, which says we need to do brackets first, indices, and then division or multiplication next, all right, and then addition and subtraction last. And this is exactly what I did here to get to the answer. So we do the multiplication first, which comes first in our order of operations, okay, which is 5 times 4, that's 20, okay, plus 4, which gives us 24, and that's our final answer. Okay, let's have a look at the next question. We are going to do the same 3 steps. The first is we are going to show all hidden operations, which means we're going to put in the times signs next to any numbers and letters stuck together. So in this question, we have 3 and B stuck together, so there should be a times sign between them. All right. The next step is we substitute using brackets. So this becomes 3 times B, which is -3 from the question. And so we're doing 3 times -3, which is -9. For the next question, we don't have any hidden operations. Okay, all we need to do is just substitute the values. So A is 4, so I substitute in 4 plus B, which is -3. And that gives us 1. Let's have a look at the next question. Let's put in the hidden operations. Okay, there's a time sign between the A and the B. The next is we replace the letters. All right, so A is 4, so we replace that with 4 times B, which is -3, minus 4 plus B again, which is -3. And then you evaluate that using your order of operations. Now the quicker way to calculate this is using your calculator. So you can put the calculation into your calculator and evaluate it that way. So if I put in all the values and then press the equal sign, I get the final evaluated answer, which is -19. All right, so let's have a look at the next questions. Okay, so we put in all the time signs in, and then we substitute. So this becomes 2 times, in brackets, 3 times A, which is 4, plus 2 times B, which is -3. And then I whip out my calculator and put that into my calculator. So I have 3 times 4 plus 2 times -3 brackets, and that gives me 12. I do the same for question F, put in all the hidden operations, and then substitute. 100 minus 10 times A, which is 4, plus 10 times B, which is -3. and then I substitute that into my calculator. So that's 100 minus 10 times 4 plus 10 times negative 3. That gives us 90. Question G. Okay, we still do the same thing. All right, we don't have any hidden time signs to put in, so we just skip to the next step where we just substitute in the values. So we go 12 over A, which was 4 in our question, plus 6 over B, which was negative 3 in our question. All right, and then you put that into your calculator. So that's 12 over 4 plus 6 over negative 3, which is a very nice one. For question A, there should be a time sign between the A and the B, so we put that in, and then we substitute. So A was 4 times B, which is negative 3, over 3, plus B, which is negative 3. And then you put that into your calculator. So 4 times negative 3 over 3 plus negative 3. That gives you negative 7. So I hope you're getting used to the steps that we need to take to substitute and evaluate these expressions. So let's do that again. The first step is we put in all the hidden multiplication signs. In this case, we don't have any. So we skip to the second step, which is substituting using brackets. So it's 100 over A is 4 in this case, plus B, which is negative 3. Okay, and then you evaluate. So it's 100 over 4 plus negative 3, which gives us 100. All right, and we do the same for all of the other questions. Okay, question J, we have A squared plus B. Okay, we don't have any hidden multiplication signs, so we just substitute in the values. So A is 4 all squared plus negative 3 for B. Put that into your calculator. 4 squared plus negative 3, that gives you 13. For question K, we have 5 times B is negative 3 plus 6 all squared. Okay, so we do 5 times, in our calculator, negative 3 plus 6 all squared. That gives you 45. And our last question, we have A minus 4B. So we need to put in the time sign between the 4 and the B first, and then substitute. So we have A minus 4 times B, which is negative 3 from our question. Oh, I forgot to replace the A. And A was 4. Okay, so that's 4 minus 4 times negative 3. Which is 16.